Stop scrolling. I found a 27-inch curved gaming monitor with 180 Hz for almost half the price of big-name brands, and honestly, it sounded way too good to be true. So is the Gawfolk 27-inch 180 Hz monitor a hidden gem or a complete waste of money? Here's the truth. For around the budget monitor price range, you're getting a 27-inch curved 1080p display, up to 180 Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond response time, AMD FreeSync, and a nearly bezel-less design. On paper, that's insane value. And according to hundreds of buyers, the gaming experience is actually smooth. Fast-paced games feel responsive, motion blur is reduced, and many users say the monitor performs surprisingly well for the money. But here's the catch. To get the full 180 Hz, you need DisplayPort. HDMI is limited to lower refresh rates, and a lot of buyers didn't realize that until after setup. Another thing, Gawfolk isn't a major monitor brand like LG, MSI, or Samsung. Some users report dead pixels, quality control issues, or monitors failing after a few months, while others say theirs has worked perfectly for years. So, is it a scam? No, it's a real product with real buyers and thousands of reviews, but it's definitely a budget monitor from a lesser-known brand, which means quality can be hit or miss compared to premium manufacturers. If you're on a tight budget and want the most refresh rate for your money, it's a solid gamble. But if reliability matters more than saving a few bucks, you might want to spend a little extra on a trusted brand. Sometimes the cheapest setup becomes the most expensive one later. Follow for more honest tech reviews before you spend your hard-earned money.